Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the beginner's step-by-step guide on Canva. So if you want to design like a pro without any experience, I'll show you how you can use Canva step by step even if you are a complete beginner. So whether you're creating for school, business or content, you're in the right place. So first you can go to the canva.com or open the app. You can create or log in into your account. And in here you can see on the home page, you'll see your recent designs. And you'll also see the templates tab in here, the search bar, and also the create button. So if you click one of these size, you can just create based on your needs. You can also do the custom size in here. So if you want to create a new design, you can just choose the size that you want. You can also click on more to see all of the size available like this. So for example, I want to create a YouTube thumbnail. Here so you can see the popular sections. You can just click on this YouTube thumbnail options and a new canvas will be open in here, blank canvas like this. So let's explore the tools. On the left sidebar in here, you can see there is this design options which contain templates and also styles. And there's also elements. So this is where you can find shapes, sticker, lines, frames, or photos and videos. And there's also tags in here where you can add tags to your design. You can go with heading, subheading, or body tags. You can also add the page numbers now. And there's also this brand option. So this is where you can add your own brand, your own brand kit like logos, color, fonts, voice, photo if there is any. And there's also upload. So this is where you can add your own photos or videos. Tools in here. You can see these are the tools to draw something, and there's also projects in here. You can see your projects, and there's also apps. So app is the apps that you can use to create your design. There's also AI tools like Magic Write or text to image. So to customize your design, let's say for example you want to change the background color. So the current background is white, so you can just click on the background and here you'll see this option at the top, background color. You can change the color. You can go with this gradient color or maybe one solid color like this. And here if you want to add or edit text, you can click on the text in here and click on add a text box. And you can just write anything. If you want to change the font and everything, you can just click on the text. Here, this is where the font is, font options. You can click on it and there will be lots of font options available. And just choose which one that you need. You can also animate the text or add some effects to the text just like this. And if you want to align, resize, and position elements, you can just, let's say, I'm going to just open a design, a templates in here to make it easier. Let's say I'm going to use this one. So let's say you want to align or resize or position the elements. You can just click on the elements that you want to adjust. When you right click on it, you'll see layer options. This is where you can reposition the layer that you want, the elements that you want. You can bring it to the front, send it to backward, and others. And you can, if you want to reposition it, you can just drag and drop like this. Okay. And you can also use keyboard shortcuts. Like for example, you can, if you want to duplicate, you can just click on Control plus a D on your keyboard, and it will be it will be duplicate anything that you click, just like this. For example, you can also use magic recommendation for fonts and color. And there's also AI features like text to image, magic eraser, brand kit, and others. So, but there are pro features, so you need to subscribe to the Canva Pro first to use it. So if you're done with the design and everything, you can just click on share at the top and tap on download, and here you can choose the file type. There's JPG, PNG, MP4, PDF. So you can also share directly to social media or email by clicking on share, and in here you can click on see all. You can share it to, you can share the link, present, or you can also share it into Google Drive, Instagram, and others. And that's your full Canva beginner guide. You know now how to create and customize beautiful designs all for free and without needing a graphic design degree. So like this video if you found it helpful, and don't forget to also subscribe and click on the thanks for more beginner friendly tips. Bye.